Here's an image showcasing the classic British 5 pence coin, featuring Queen Elizabeth II and the crown thistle design. That's quite representative of the 1990 to 2008 era. Complete overview of the UK 5 pence coin, 1968 present. 1. Historical context and geography. Introduced on April 23, 1968 as part of preparing for decimalization, Decimal Day. February 15, 1971. The 5p coin replaced a shilling and initially circulated alongside it. Size change occurred in June 1990. The coin was reduced in diameter from 23.6 millimeters to 18 millimeters and weight from 5.65 g to 3.25 g. The larger coins were demonetized on December 31, 1990. 2. Design elements. Reverse 1968 to 2008 A crown thistle, designed by Christopher Ironside. The inscription changed from New Pence 1968 to 1981 to 5 pence 1982 to 2008. Obverse monarch's portraits 1968 to 1984. Mackin portrait with Girl of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. 1985 to 1997. Raphael Macloff portrait, Queen with state diadem. 1998 to 2015. Ian Rank Broadley portrait, more mature depiction, tiara, IRB. 2015 onwards, Jody Clark. 2015 to 2022, followed by new portraits, including those of Charles III, 2023. Redesign of reverse. From 2008 Matthew Dent's design, showing parts of the royal shield, replacing the traditional thistle and removal of beading. 3. Mintage figures, selected years. According to official data, here's a breakdown of minted coins per year. Year mintage circulation. Commentary. 1991,634,976,005. First year of small coin issue. 1991, 724,979,000. 1992, 453,173,500. 1993, 0, but in proof/boo sets. 1994, 93,602,000. 1995, 183,384,000. 1996, 302,902,000. 1997, 236,596,000. 1998, 217,376,000. 1999, 195,490,000. 2000, 388,512,000. These figures reflect coins minted for general circulation. 4. Circulated versus uncirculated condition. Circulated. These coins are used in daily transactions and naturally show wear. Uncirculated/brilliant uncirculated. BU often sold in mint sets. BU examples retain full luster and lack wear. Example BU premiums. In pound 1996 to 2000 typical BU value, rated around £1, slightly higher for older types. Proof/mint set variants. Lower mintage special sets offer coins with sharp detail and superior finish. For instance, 1999. Proof/stamp coins 80,000. BU mint sets 136,000. 1996. BU sets 86,500. Proof sets 67,500. Silver proof 0.925 fine 15,000. 1990. Switch to smaller size. Macloff obverse. Thistle reverse. 1991 to 1997. Continued small coins. Macloff until 1997, then Rank Broadley from 1998. 1996. High mintage 302.9 million. Available in circulation and special sets. 1999. Moderate mintage 195.5 million. Material copper nickel. Rank Broadley obverse. Classic thistle reverse. BU improved variants with modest additional value. 2000. Large circulation run. 388.5 million. Thereafter approaching redesign transition in 2008. Geography. Produced by the Royal Mint Lanchester in the UK, used exclusively in the UK. Circulation, always legal tender up to £5. But everyday use coins oftentimes heavily circulated and low in collector value, unless in BU or proof condition. Collectability. Key factors include condition, BU/proof versus circulated, portrait type and year, especially low mintage or set-only years. Let me know if you'd like a similar deep dive into specific years outside this range, variations, or collector valuations.